Imagine having superpowers, living forever, surviving in space, or punching harder than a bullet. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, nature doesn't care about movies. Some animals already have abilities that make superheroes look weak. Today, we're counting down 8 animals with superpowers that actually exist. Get ready, because this is where biology breaks all the rules. Number 1. First up is the tardigrade, also called the water bear. At less than a millimeter long, it might look cute, but this tiny creature is basically invincible. Tardigrades can survive temperatures from almost absolute zero to over 150 degrees centigrade, survive crushing pressures, deadly radiation, and even the vacuum of space. How? They enter a state called cryptobiosis, where their metabolism nearly stops and their bodies dry out. It's like hitting the ultimate pause button. As for humans, we'd be dust in those conditions.
Number 2.
Next, meet the mantis shrimp, the animal kingdom's ultimate puncher. This little marine predator packs a strike so fast it creates cavitation bubbles, generating heat nearly equal to the sun's surface for a fraction of a second. A mantis shrimp's punch is incredibly powerful, packing the acceleration over 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour and delivering up to 1,500 newtons of force. Their eyes are even crazier. Humans have 3 types of color receptors. Mantis shrimp have 16, letting them see ultraviolet light and detect polarized light.
Number 3.
Number 3 is the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. Axolotls are fully aquatic and breathe underwater primarily using prominent feathery external gills to extract oxygen from the water. As neotenic salamanders that stay in their larval form, they live their entire lives in water, though they also possess functional lungs to gulp air at the surface if needed. This salamander is basically a walking regeneration lab. Lose a leg? No problem. Heart damaged? It can regrow that too. Parts of its brain? Yup. It can even regrow neurons. Scientists are studying axolotls to understand human regeneration, but for now, these creatures are nature's ultimate healers.
Number 4.
Now meet the immortal jellyfish. Its scientific name is Turritopsis dohrnii, and it has one incredible ability. It can reverse its life cycle. T. dohrnii was first discovered in the Mediterranean in the 1880s, with researchers continuing to study its unique cellular abilities. When threatened, injured, or old, it can reverse to a younger state, essentially starting its life over. This means, in theory, it could live forever. However, they are not invincible. They can still die from predation, disease, or environmental destruction.
Number 5.
Back to the ocean, the pistol shrimp is a tiny but deadly creature. It can snap its claw so fast that it creates a bubble reaching over 4,000 degrees Celsius, momentarily as hot as the surface of the sun. The pistol shrimp produces a cavitation bubble with its oversized claw that snaps shut at 62 miles per hour, creating a shockwave, sound, and a flash of light. This bubble implodes with extreme force, generating 218 decibel sound, killing small prey instantly, even though the shrimp is smaller than your thumb. They are literally nature's gunfighter. You might wonder who would win between mantis shrimp and pistol shrimp. The mantis shrimp would almost certainly win against a pistol shrimp due to its significantly larger size, superior speed, advanced vision, and, most importantly, armored body designed to withstand high-impact blows. While the pistol shrimp has a powerful stun-inducing cavitation bubble, the mantis shrimp is a dedicated, heavily armored predator.
Number 6. Next up is the Bombardier Beetle, a small insect with a big temper. When threatened, it mixes chemicals inside its body, which are hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, to produce a boiling hot, toxic spray, shooting it at predators like a tiny flamethrower. The spray can reach 100 degrees Celsius, and it comes out in rapid pulses. That's right, a beetle can burn attackers alive. Nature's chemistry lab, living inside a beetle. Bombardier beetles are not generally dangerous to humans, as their defensive spray is not lethal or typically harmful in small amounts. However, they can spray a hot, acidic, and foul-smelling chemical that causes temporary irritation, pain, blistering, and potential eye damage if directly sprayed into the face. Number 7. The archerfish.
The archerfish is a sniper of the river world. It shoots water from its mouth to knock insects off branches into the water.
Here's the insane part. It can adjust for gravity, wind, and refraction, hitting tiny prey up to 2 meters away with pinpoint accuracy. By pressing their tongue against a groove in the roof of their mouth, they form a tube similar to a gun barrel. Forcing water through this channel allows them to hit targets. While they can shoot from far away, studies suggest they prefer to shoot from closer distances.
Number 8. And finally, the octopus. 3 hearts, blue blood, which is copper-based rather than iron-based, which is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, no bones, aside from a hard, parrot-like beak, and a mini-brain in each arm. It can camouflage instantly, squeeze through impossible spaces, and escape almost any predator. Some octopuses even use tools, like coconut shells, rocks, even jars. They frequently use stones or shells to barricade the entrances to their dens, acting as a functional door. They are probably the smartest invertebrates on the planet, and definitely the ultimate escape artists. From tiny, indestructible tardigrades to immortal jellyfish and gun-wielding beetles, the animal kingdom is full of real-life superpowers. And remember, these are not mutations or flukes. These are nature's own designs, perfected over millions of years. If you loved seeing what animals can really do, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing facts.